This section introduces a minimal Playwright project designed for beginners with no prior experience. It highlights the importance of end-to-end tests in real user scenarios and positions Playwright as the go-to tool for starting such tests. Key takeaways include eliminating manual timeouts, utilizing time-travel debugging features, and using user-facing locators to enhance test resilience. Instructions for installation are provided, emphasizing the use of the pnpm command for creating a Playwright project. Usage instructions outline various commands for running tests in different modes, highlighting the flexibility of the Playwright framework. An overview of 5 essential core concepts for effectively utilizing Playwright is introduced. Locators focus on user-facing selectors to improve test reliability and accessibility, moving away from unstable CSS selectors. Web-first assertions automatically retry for failures, enhancing test reliability by waiting for the correct state without manual pauses. This concept addresses actionability checks that ensure elements are suitable for interaction before any actions like clicks are performed. Projects allow the testing of the same suite across various environments, including different browsers and viewports. The Trace Viewer tool is crucial for debugging, offering a detailed timeline of every action taken during tests. Exercises provided aim to enhance practical understanding by encouraging users to perform specific test scenarios. Technologies employed include Playwright for testing, TypeScript for type safety, and pnpm for efficient package management. The project structure is discussed, outlining key components that are important for the overall organization of the code. The test folder is designated to contain the actual test files. This section details a test file that exemplifies how to write Playwright tests, drawing parallels to familiar testing frameworks. The configuration file sets up the testing environment, including project definitions and relevant test settings. It continues defining projects for various browsers to enable flexible testing capabilities across environments. An auto-generated report folder is referenced, explaining its use for viewing test outcomes after execution. The demo section presents the output of executing test commands, showcasing what users can expect. Executing the Playwright test command demonstrates running the entire test suite with specified configurations. This follows with visuals related to test results, highlighting specific configurations for browser execution. The interactive test command launches a UI that provides a visual interface for running tests and debugging. Continues with images displaying interaction during the UI test mode, demonstrating user experience. Running tests in debug mode allows for real-time interaction and inspection to understand test execution. Visuals related to the debug mode enhance understanding of the debugging process during executions. The references section includes a link to the Playwright official site for further reading and support.